Hello everybody, today we're going to be making creamy garlic pasta with obviously cream and garlic. This is a go-to in my household. Whenever my mom can't think of anything to make, we just make this because it's super easy and it is super good. So to start off, we're going to add some olive oil and some butter, just enough heat to melt it, not to burn it. So make sure to keep your eye on that. And then we are also going to be adding some garlic to the mix in a little bit, and it's important because to add it in this step to a little bit tone down the taste and the smell of the garlic because it's quite strong, so we don't want to add it when it's whole. You want to cook it down a little bit, so you're going to go ahead and do that. This is medium to low heat. Once again, do not burn the butter. I repeat, do not burn the butter. And then you're going to add some spices and some hot water. And then we're going to add boiling water, to be exact. And we're going to add our pasta in. And so, pro tip, when you add your pasta, please, please, please do not break it. Just let it do its thing. Let it decompress and become malleable as it should. I don't know why we're getting impatient. Just give it a second, move it around, and it'll cook. Don't stress. So let the pasta cook and let it sit in this lovely, yes, very lovely, lovely, oh, look at these hand signs that he's doing. Very nice. Lovely concoction, little mixture, very nice. Oh, and Spider-Man, very nice. I don't know what my dad's doing, honestly. Very, very funny. But yeah, after that, you're gonna go ahead and add the secret ingredient, which is not so secret because it's literally in the title. You're gonna add some cream. Oh, first take a test strand, make sure it is cooked, and then you're gonna add some cream. And by the way, just a side note, don't add so much water, so at the point where there's water left over, we're gonna be eating this straight from the pot, as in we're not going to be straining, so don't add too much water in the beginning as well. And then we're just going to add the cream here for the final mix. We're also going to chop up some parsley, not cilantro, and also it's called Italian parsley, not normal parsley, and I learned that the very hard way. I had to drive all the way back to Rouse to get this parsley because I got normal parsley. How misleading is that? Anyways, you're gonna put this in and you're gonna mix it up. Oh, so good. And what's funny is I'm not really a big fan of parsley, but this really just makes this dish so good. I don't know if it's a placebo because I don't really know what parsley tastes like, but it makes it look good, So then that's about it. Just mix it on up and you'll be ready to serve shortly. That's it. We hope you guys enjoy making this dish. Let us know what other pasta combination for flavors you guys use. And that's it. Happy creamy garlic pasta-ing. Bye!